Hey everybody, this is Papa Dan, and welcome back to Dan's Free Ideas, where I give my ideas away because I can't seem to make them happen, but maybe you can. So today we're going to talk about an adaptive reuse, or a way to look at something a little differently. So we all know what these are. These are the little packets that you get at the Chinese restaurant or any other takeout joint where they have mustard and mayo and soy sauce and relish and all that other stuff. And I was looking at one the other day and I thought, what would be a real good use for these little packets like this? Suntan lotion. And I don't mean, I've seen something online where you can open and close it, but no, this is just to be a one-time use. You take the little packet, you fill it up with suntan lotion, and you sell them for like 50 cents, 75 cents in a bin at the cash register in a gas station or something like that. Nothing fancy, and then you print on the back all the ingredients and print so small that nobody can read it, But anyway, it's my idea, because like let's say you go to the beach and you forget your suntan lotion. You don't want to spend $7, $8, $9, $10 on another bottle of suntan lotion when you have it at home. So you just buy a couple of packets, enough to get you through the day. Or if you buy a bunch of them and you go in someplace, you can throw them in the bag. You don't have to worry about the bottle opening or anything like that. So out of curiosity, these are kind of small, so I was wondering just how much of your body like one of these could cover. So I took a soy sauce and a mustard and a mayo and what else? Relish. Relish didn't work so good. But the mayo made it up to about here on me, and then the mustard made it was a little thinner, so it made it almost up to my shoulder, And then, like I say, the relish I couldn't spread very well. Soy sauce worked pretty good. I got that up to about my shoulder, and this being the internet, you probably believed everything I just said, and it's all. I'm sure, of course, I didn't sit there rubbing mayonnaise on myself. What do you think I am? Don't answer that. Anyway. So that's the idea. This is actually, I think, a moneymaker. I really do, and you'd probably go through all health board kind of regulations and things like that. But little packets full of suntan lotion, disposable packets of suntan lotion. So that's the idea for this week. Next week, we'll see what we got. And thank you all for tuning in. Now, you're supposed to hit like or subscribe. It's entirely up to you. I'm not going to ask anybody to do anything they don't want to do. But if you do subscribe, you'll get the ideas quicker than if you wait around. They'll just show up in your mailbox, I guess. I never subscribe to anybody, so I don't know what that does. So anyway, this is Papa Dan saying be well, be happy, be healthy. And from this time until next time, take care. Bye-bye for now.